In this video right here, I'm going to show you how to make some basic, custom, branded Instagram posts by using Pixteller. Pixteller is a great design area where you can use templates, you can use your imagination, and they have things already done for you. All you got to do is just edit a couple of things and just post around that platform. And I'll show you how to do that in a few minutes. My name is Shelton, and thank you for watching this video, because this is the place to be to grow your brand using Pixteller or grow your bank account as well. So let's go ahead and dive into the content. Like, comment, and subscribe. Now this video, we're going to follow just Instagram. We've been doing other things like Facebook and Twitter, but this is going to be Instagram. We're going to learn how to do Instagram posts and make them really basic and customizable. And right below this video, if you click on the link below, you get access to Pixteller. You can actually upgrade to different levels as well, the pro level, the diamond level, and get access to unlimited templates where you can build those branded, customized, posts and thumbnails as well. So let's go ahead and dive in. So this is it right here. This is what you'll get. Now, these are some done for you already templates that's already built for you, and you can use this right on Instagram. Like, for example, if you wanted to use this right here and you like, the color and everything, just change a little bit of the text. Like, life is tough. Hey, life is awesome. How about that? We can just change that. Life is awesome. And just do that. And you can change your name here. You can say, instead of, well, actually, this might be a quote here. So you can, life is awesome. And you can just say, hey, January Wells. Let's see if that was the person's name. And then go ahead and save this and post it. So you can use this post as Instagram. What I like about it, it already used the specs for Instagram as well, right here, of the width and the height. So you don't have to change anything. So you can just use this, change a couple of things of it, and voila. Or you can actually change the picture by replacing the picture. You can use any of these pictures right here. You can type in a picture. You can say beach and say, okay, I want to use this one right here. Look at that. See that? See how awesome that is? And then you just replace it. You can use the unlimited. This is why it's good to be like a diamond member or pro member, because you have the unlimited images that you can use. Look, all these images you can use. And this is just Instagram, right? You can use it from other different platforms as well, like Twitter and Facebook. But Instagram is really cool because it's all about really pictures. It's all about video as well, short text. And this is great for that. Really, really good for that. And you can, your text, you can change the color in your text. Let's say I want this to be black, or I want this to be red, or I want this to be blue. So you can just change that. So I advise you a lot of times just use what they have and just kind of change it. So you don't have to always start over from scratch. So that's just an example right there. So if I wanted to use that, I can save it, but I can always create my own one. You can always create your own Instagram post from scratch, and it's really simple to do. We can do exactly what we just did. We can just go to images and say, okay, I want to add an image. Let's say space. Let's say I want to use something in a space. All right. Maybe I'm thinking a post about space, stars, the moon, or something like that. And I can make sure this is all like so. Let's say that's my Instagram post of the day. This is the image I'm going to use. Then I can say, okay, here's the text. I could say, enjoy your night. Okay, change the text to white, but I can see it. And look at this, I can change the font to Adam Pro, or I can use any of these actually fonts here. Let's say use Casper, and then I can move this. Hold up, we just drag this over like so, and I can make this bigger. Look at that. See that? Enjoy the night. This could be your Instagram post. This is just an example. You can start from scratch, or you can use the already pre-done for you templates already that we just did. Enjoy the night. And then look at this. You see this little X here, or this little cross here? You can double it. Look how cool that is. I can just edit it here, and I'm gonna say, let's say my name. I like the feature here. So you can just use this to copy. Basically, it's a clone element, and you just use the clone element, And like so, if I was just doing this, say with my name, enjoy your night. Boom. Look at that. See how cool that is? And I can change it. You can kind of go back to filter. I can change the border if I don't want the border to really shine a little bit. Look at that. See that? That could be a different color. It could be red. It could be pink. It can be green. Purple, gold, black. See? Enjoy the night. So you can kind of play around with it. The border, I love using the border because it kind of brings some, like a really special element out of the actually words. It pops a little bit. That's the word I'm trying to look for. It pops. So look at this. Enjoy the night. And let's say you want something personalized. You want to add your logo. Your logo be great. So let's say your logo. And remember, you can go to Fiverr for someone that can help you do the logo. So that should be a problem there. So use Fiverr for that as well. I'm gonna go upload. And I've got some logos already on my computer already. So you can do that. And let's go to pictures and then logos. And let's say I want to use that one. Add image, add the logo on there. Make sure it's transparent. More than likely your your Fiverr person would definitely work with you that. And so you can put a little branded there, or I can replace it. And let's see, upload again. If I say I want something lighter, since this is a darker one. So look at that. Enjoy your night. And I'm Shelton. Or I could take this out and make this, no, keep it in. So that, like a branded one, that's something that you can do with your logo or with the picture there. Or like you said, we can use something already pre-done and just make changes from there. So it really doesn't matter. Start from scratch or use something that's already pre-done and just make edits and changes from there. And then from there, you just name it. Instagram post number 1. And you save it there, and that's it. And then from there, you just go to Instagram and you just kind of post it. That's all you do. Just go to Instagram, log into Instagram and just post it. That's all you do. So if I go to Instagram and pretty simple to do. And go there, and voila, just go to Instagram, post it. Probably best to go ahead and do this from your phone. So Instagram is probably best to do it on your phone as well. So I can actually post this from my phone, or I can post this from my tablet or something like that. So go log into Instagram, post it up, should be good to go. And yeah, should be good to go. So that's what I like to do. That's a good way of doing an Instagram post. This is really good to do like a short post, or you can actually use this as a scheduler. So if you use like Hootsuite or something like that, you can schedule your post in advance or something like that. But this is how you do a Pixteller Instagram post, a branded basic Instagram post. Yes, you can do that right here in Pixteller. And so click on the link below to get unlimited images. You'll get all these images as well when it comes with your membership. And I am a pro member where I get unlimited photos. Look all these photos you get. Look all these photos you get. All these type of photos you get. You can play around with it, and it's really, really cool to do so. I'm so happy to do this video for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel, because it's the place to be to grow your brand, to grow your bank account. And I'll see you on the next video. Click on the link below to get access to Pixteller. Get started creating your first image or your second or your third post for Instagram, and I'll see you next time.